So this is recorded with the DJI Mini 2, and it's one of my favourite shots. So naturally, when the Mini 3 came out, we thought we'd get one, but we didn't. And why is that? Morning. Well, here we are back in the Forest of Dean. I've not brought the Mini 2 with me today. I brought a new drone, and that's the Avata. And it's taken me a while to decide to get one, and I thought, why do I want one? Why do I not want the DJI Mini 3? The Mini 3 offers quite a lot. Tracking, vertical mode. And I've been thinking about it. It's just not made me want to get out. It's not made me want to fly it. Whereas today, we're here with the Avata. We're going to go and have a little bit of a walk and explore. We're going to try and find some nice places to film. And that's really it. The Avata makes me want to get out and fly. I've tested it and I've tried it around my local area, and it's just fun. Okay, I've been flying around fields, but today we're in the forest. So we're going to see if we can get amongst the trees, see if we can wind our way in and out, and see what that looks like. So, follow me. Let's get going, see what we can find. Now today is pretty cold for this time of the year. It's 3 degrees Celsius, which is that in Fahrenheit. I can never quite work out Fahrenheit. But yeah, we're out. We're out and about and we're exploring. It's taken me a while to get another video out since our tour of the NC 500 up in Scotland. We've been working on some projects in the house. Got those finished up now, just in time for spring, ready for summer to properly get out and explore. And the Avata just made sense to me. It's something which I've kind of always really wanted to look at from the perspective of getting out and flying. And the Mini 2 is great. It can capture some really cinematic footage like this. And like that. But it doesn't make me want to get out. It doesn't make me want to fly. Whereas this does. And just like before and last time, we're sticking to the fire roads to start with. And we're going to go and find a quiet little spot. This time of the year, in spring, there are a few trees that haven't got so many branches on and so many leaves, so I'm thinking if we can get the Avata in and slaloming through, is that going to be a thing? I've unfortunately not been able to get hold of a controller or the FPV controller for it. I've got the motion controller at the moment, so we'll see how that pans out. It's really good. There's a lot of criticism online with it, but anyone that wants to fly the Avata could pick up the motion controller and they could fly it straight away. It's quite intuitive. It's fun to fly, but yeah, I want to try and fly manual at some point. So getting that controller is going to enable that. Now they come into stock soon, so hopefully I can pick one up. I've got a couple of trips coming up soon, so hopefully I can start to use that and see if I can fly it in manual. I've tried on a couple of the simulators and crashed a lot. Without the controller, I've just been using the touch screen on the phone, and it's not gone well at all. But yeah, like I said, it's got me out. It's got me wanting to fly. and see what we can explore and get this unique perspective of FPV over this sort of stuff with the Mini 2. And yeah, the reason for picking the Avata as well, I've got the goggles version 2, I think they're called, or the goggles, I'm not too sure. I'll pop the name of them up just there. But they've got the diopter adjustment, and Hans VR came in a solid and delivered the lenses to me yesterday. But I've got an astigmatism on both eyes, and kind of makes it difficult just to adjust the diopter and kind of have it focused all around the edges, whereas with those lenses it's made it a lot better. I can actually see what speed I'm flying and battery percentage and those sorts of things as well, so that's always useful. You've probably seen the colour grading is pretty good. It's being shot by the Pocket 2, and I'm using D-Cine-like and some LUTs provided by Tamara, whose channel will be down in the description if you want to go check out those LUTs. They're really useful for pretty much anything DJI that's using D-Cine-like and you want to correct the colour by using a LUT. They're really good. You just slap them over the top. This is what it looks like without them. And there's a few of different ones. There's like a normal, like this, and there's a vivid. So they're really good depending on what sort of look you want with the footage as well. So yeah, check them out. And there's loads of super interesting parts in the forest, especially this time of the year. You've got some down trees just there, and a small little stream that's going by, and a bridge as well. So pretty much around every corner there's something interesting to see. So let's get to it with the Avata, shall we? that was fun. Slaloming through those trees, jumping around the branches. That crash. It's not bad for a first little flight around here. Quite happy with that. So we're going to move on to another site and have a bit more of an explore. Stop and record this bit before I flew it. We're on our way back and well, I just couldn't stop to record. I just had to fly it straight away. What an incredible place. It's been really fun. Well, we've had our coffee and hot chocolate, a cheeky little breakfast back whilst we were there at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Let me know what you think. Do you prefer this style footage with the Mini 2? Or this with the Avata? I don't know yet. I know which I'm more excited to fly. And I'm going to do that awkward thing really where I say if you're new here, drop a like and subscribe. I've never really done it on my channel. You can probably see by the amount of subscribers that we've got, but especially over this summer, I'm going to be doing more stuff like this. So if you do want to watch more, then yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye now.